Okay, so here we go. We're going to find, for 3a here, we're going to find the intervals of increase and decrease. So the very first thing we got to do here is we're going to take the derivative. Okay, you know that. Now it's a rational function here, so I'm going to use the quotient rule. I don't care what you think. So I'm going to use, okay, derivative of the numerator, 2x times 1 minus x squared, minus x squared times the derivative of the denominator, negative 2x, all over 1 minus x squared squared. So the numerator is going to become 2x minus 2x cubed plus 2x cubed. And that's immensely convenient. 1 minus x squared squared. So my numerator is simply going to become 2x over 1 minus x squared squared. Now, in order to determine intervals of increasing and decreasing, I need to know where this function is positive and negative, which means first I need to know whether this thing goes to 0 or is undefined. The numerator goes to 0, conveniently enough, at 0. The denominator goes to 0, okay, so this thing is going to be undefined when x is equal to positive or negative 1. Okay, and so that gives us right there intervals that we can work with. So what I'm going to do here is just kind of draw out of the number line, and my numbers here, negative 1, 0, 1. Okay, and that gives us there 4 different intervals that we can look at. And I'm just going to look at my expressions here. It's either 2x or 1 minus x squared squared. And I put the whole denominator together like that because it's squared. The whole thing's always going to be positive. Okay, except for when it's equal to 0 here. So it's going to be positive here, 0 here, positive, 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 0, positive. 2x is going to be, well, it's going to be basically negative where x is negative, 0 at 0, and then positive everywhere else. So putting those together, this is going to be negative, undefined there, negative, 0 here, positive, undefined, positive. So now, where is the function increasing? Well, it's increasing on the positive intervals. So it's going to be from 0 to 1, union 1 to infinity. And it's going to be decreasing where it's negative. So a negative infinity out to negative 1, union negative 1 to 0. Okay, and there you go.